the Lord Chief Justice for I request of the Judicial Ministry.
Today we gather here not merely to mark the end of a constitutional mandate, but witness a moment of transition, a moment of reflection, and a moment of gratitude. Transition because the top position of leadership in the judiciary is changing. Reflection because we pause to consider a remarkable chapter in yet another of judiciary history.
I must be categorical in pointing out that the achievements registered during my tenure as Chief Justice were never the work of one individual. They were not mine alone. They were the product of collective effort, shared vision, and institutional teamwork. My first meeting as Chief Justice, I made it clear to the management team, the top management team, that in all the responsibilities I've held, in all the offices in life I have held, including in my family, if there is credit attributed to the institution or the family or the group of persons where I am head, I always insist and prefer that the credit be given to the entire group.
You have helped bridge the gap between formal courts and traditional systems, ensuring that justice is not only legally sound but also socially meaningful and culturally legitimate.
And from that time, the President listened to the Chief Justice and promised to support him. I can assure you that is how our budget started climbing from 199 billion to now 400 plus billion. You are leaving us in a better situation.
He started the African ADR Forum. So where all the Chief Justices gathered here in Munyonyo, and for the first time we had a common agenda for Africa ADR. Now that is an imprint into the judicial system which will never go away.